Hello friends, let's learn how to create this beautiful movie-like effect. We are working here with two layers, so I have grouped everything that is in front so that only two layers remain, one in front of the window and then the scenery behind the window. So first we will increase the size of the scenery behind the window. I have increased the size to 230% of the original, both length and breadth. Next we need to align the scenery behind the window in the center of the slide. So you can either manually put in the position over here or you can simply align it to the middle. The size is being increased because basically we want to create the effect of zooming out from the scenery and entering into the window of the house and then showing the crow and the sparrow sitting on the sofa. Similarly, we need to increase the size of the second layer. The second layer needs to be smaller than the first layer as we are not zooming out as much once we enter the room. Now we will add the animations to the first layer, that is the scenery, which will be grow and shrink. Change the default setting to make it zoom out by making it smaller instead of larger. Now for the second layer, it needs to slowly appear, so look for the dissolve animation in more entrance effects. After the dissolve effect, we again need to add the grow and shrink animation to the second layer and again change it to make it smaller instead of larger. Notice that all the three animations have to run side by side, so we need to change it to with previous instead of on click and then delay the second and third animations appropriately. We can see that the front layer of the room is not rightly aligned, so we'll just shift it a little to the left so that the scenery is not visible from behind. Keep adjusting the duration and the delay to suit your liking. Friends, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any new such interesting videos that I post.